The goblet cable squat with rope is a leg exercise that primarily targets the quadriceps as well as the hamstrings and glutes. To make this exercise more effective, I recommend using a V-bar attachment rather than the rope. The V-bar doesn't require as much grip and arm strength to hold the weight up as the rope, therefore you can load more weight to target your leg muscles without first hitting failure with your arms. However, if you only have access to a rope attachment, here's how to do it correctly. Attach a rope handle to the lowest setting on the cable machine. While standing facing the cable machine, hold the rope with a neutral grip with both hands, pulling it up to your chest, keeping your hands close together. The rope should mimic the goblet grip position with your elbows pointing down and close to your body. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider with your toes turned slightly outward for better balance. Keep your core tight, chest up, and shoulders back throughout the movement. Lower yourself by pushing your hips back and bending your knees as if you're sitting in a chair while maintaining a neutral spine with a natural arch in your lower back. Keep the rope handle in front of your chest throughout the movement. Squat down until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as deep as your mobility allows while maintaining proper form, keeping your knees aligned with your toes to prevent them from caving inward. Push through your heels to stand back up, extending your knees and hips to return to the starting position. Avoid pulling the weight up with your arms as your legs should be doing the work. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.